Welcome to Every Day is a Holiday. It is the end of November, so you know what's coming up. National French Toast Day. So we're going to take the leftovers from some other holiday that happens a couple of days before and transform them into a delicious Pain Perdu. Start by making the custard for the French toast. Add eggs to a large bowl and whisk until well beaten. Then, add the rest of the ingredients. Whisk to combine. Preheat a cast iron skillet over medium-low heat and add a pat of butter. Dunk thickly sliced challah into the custard, about 5 seconds per side. Cook the bread until deep golden brown, about 4 minutes per side. Meanwhile, in another skillet, combine leftover turkey gravy and some chicken stock. Stir to combine. Add leftover sliced turkey and cook until warm through for about 6 minutes. You can't have French toast without syrup. In a heat-proof bowl, combine cranberry sauce and maple syrup. Whisk to combine. Time to put it all together. Top the challah French toast with the turkey. Add a generous spoonful of the cranberry syrup. And that's all there is to it. It's sweet, it's savory, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, happy National French Toast Day.